In this video, learn how DHCP servers assign IP addresses automatically, preventing conflicts and easing network management.
Manually assigning IPs is tedious and error-prone. Duplicate addresses can cause conflicts, downtime, and frustrating troubleshooting.
DHCP automates IP address assignment and network settings, reducing errors and saving time. It ensures each device gets a unique IP, preventing conflicts and keeping your network stable. DHCP streamlines network management by automatically assigning IPs, reducing errors and admin workload. It's especially useful in dynamic environments, ensuring a stable and efficient network.
Start DHCP configuration by creating a pool with IP DHCP pool and a name like My Network. This defines the range of IP addresses the router can assign.
Next, use the network command to define the network address and subnet mask, like 192.168.1.0/24. This ensures DHCP assigns IPs only within the correct network. Optionally, use default router to define the gateway, like 192.168.1.1. This lets devices communicate outside their local network and access the Internet. Use IP DHCP excluded address to exclude static IP ranges, like 192.168.1.10. This prevents DHCP from assigning them, avoiding conflicts and ensuring stability. When a device connects, it broadcasts a DHCP request for an IP address. The server replies with an available IP from its pool, starting the DHCP handshake process. The device accepts the IP offer and is fully configured with IP, subnet, and gateway, enabling seamless communication and network access without manual setup. Use Show IP DHCP binding to check all assigned IPs and their MAC addresses, helping you verify and troubleshoot DHCP assignments. If DHCP issues arise, check for IP conflicts, server reachability, and pool configuration. Use Show IP DHCP server statistics to diagnose and resolve problems efficiently. We covered a complete DHCP setup, creating a pool, defining network and gateway, excluding IPs, and verifying assignments, ensuring a stable and efficient network. In a growing network, DHCP enables seamless device addition by automatically assigning IPs, preventing conflicts, and ensuring a scalable, reliable environment. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the full power of DHCP. You've automated IP assignment, reduced conflicts, and created a scalable, reliable network, ready to handle real-world challenges with confidence.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.